Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as relevant as ever in 2024: gender equality. But this isn't just a history lesson, it's about understanding where we are now and where we're headed. So let's get started. Gender equality has come a long way. Did you know in the early 1900s, women in many countries couldn't even vote? Fast forward to today, and we've seen monumental changes, but the journey is far from over. In 2024, the Global Gender Gap Report shows us some fascinating, yet conflicting stories. For instance, while more women are in the workforce than ever before, the wage gap globally still hovers around 16%. Now let's take a trip around the globe. In Sweden, for instance, they have one of the most generous parental leave policies. Meanwhile, Rwanda leads the world in female parliamentary representation. Pretty impressive, right? But it's not just about numbers and policies. It's about real people making real changes. Like Aurav in India, who's breaking stereotypes by teaching boys about gender equality, or Emma in the UK, who's championing women in tech. Despite the progress, we still face challenges. The wage gap, underrepresentation in leadership roles, and unequal access to education and healthcare are just the tip of the iceberg. As we wrap up, remember, gender equality isn't just a goal, it's a journey. Each one of us plays a part in shaping a more equal world. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore gender equality in the workplace. Until then, keep questioning, keep learning, and let's keep pushing for a world where equality is the norm, not the exception. Thanks for watching.